In illusion, I would like to talk about an image of scam in Cambodia. This image shows both an impressioning uh, police officer and setting up fake the scamming people. It feels like scamming in Thailand. Most rooms were set up in a restaurant. Police officer. It look like police officer in Australia and Singapore. Discussing many documents all over the floor. They seem like a panic. Most of documents are personal data. They seem as if they scam many people. Some of the documents were verified by containing a Japanese man. He sounded worried. So that's what the illusion of scammer. I hope you enjoy my talk. Thank you for listening. See you soon. Bye bye.